my swans. Are you here too? It's not many days since it was ice on this water and one of you was stuck. Hello, baby. You see that, birds? The big one's arriving now. The queen and the king in the water, you see? Hello, you want some food? Yeah. And here too. Down here. Yeah, the one in the water was the one that was frozen in the ice the other day. But she's careful now. She keeps her distance. Oh yeah, it's wet and it's filled with fat. It's great, huh? Come on, lady. Yeah. They are jealous, the others, because I don't feed them like I do with you. Yeah, dip it. It's better. Okay. Ooh. Big bites for you, my friends. Yeah, you got two, my duck. Oh, get away with you. Yeah, let her eat alone. You are agreeing, huh? Yeah. Oh, poor you. I see that you are not the same after you were in the ice so many hours. Poor this one, actually. She managed to get free of herself from the ice, but can't be any good. You want some more? Here. Here's the last one. Yeah. You're welcome. Beautiful couple. And you can totally see that this one is a male on the left side. And here is the ladybird that I have told so many times before. It's just a couple of days ago, stuck on the ice. The fire department came to rescue her. But actually, she managed to get out of herself. So she needs food, fat. Yeah, that's my friend. And you too. Let's give some to the ducks back there. Here you are. Almost catching in the air. The ducks back there. Okay, come over here then, if you want. Here. Come on. Okay, I have to go to you then. Yeah. Oh, so careful. It's so great spending time with the birds. If you have never tried it, you should really do that sometime. It really calms you down. Yeah. Agree. I get some more for you, mother. Yeah, my birds, here you are. He's a nasty one, that one. Oops, you see? I can't give them food with distance. I actually have to hand feed them, otherwise I can risk they don't get anything at all. You see that attitude in the nature of that bird? Well, seems like they are survivors. It's a rainy day. Hallelujah, it's a rainy day. Oh. Here, my lady. You want some more? Yeah, for sure. She is hungry. I'm quite sure it's connected to that accident happening. Oh, wow. My gosh. Okay. We have some more for you. Yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain even more now. Okay, let's finish it up. We get all wet, included the camera, and that's not so good. Oh, I have now I'm sitting under a tree because it started to rain so much. Okay, my birds. The last piece goes to the king and the queen. Here you go. Sorry that the weather is so bad, huh? Here. Quite windy. Little sneak. The ducks over there. I haven't got much today. Tried, but bye-bye.